Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Once again, how is everybody this afternoon? My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. It was our first anniversary yesterday, so we're starting year 2, and it's great and an honour and a privilege to be here. Everything you see here is my own shares, my real positions. This is my real position right now. We've had a bit of a down day today. Things are trying to stabilize though. I've been buying some dips. I'll share with you what I've been buying. A few ETFs, a few high dividend stocks. Year 2, says Mike. First person here. All right, let's get straight into the trades. First again, Mike. Yeah, he's going for Day Trader of the Year award. And for the surprise prize at the end of the year. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. Welcome if you are with me on Twitch right now. Jump into Twitch. We'll go for the first half an hour, and we are now 2.6. 2.6. If we can get, we need an average of 3. If we can get 5, 6, 7 people in there today, we're getting very, very close to becoming an affiliate on Twitch. The stream will get improved, and we'll get more people on YouTube. So there we go. Do not abandon YouTube for Twitch, but if you can open it, that would be great. Here is the link right now. Okay, you can see my stocks right now. We're having a bit of a down day. It's a bit of a tough day. We've got some good news though. We've already got 3 in. Wow, we've got 66 followers, and we've already got 3 viewers in. All right, we need to be in there for half an hour, so keep it open for half an hour, and then once I've got an average of at least 5 for half an hour, I will then close the stream. Okay. Hopefully we can get 2.6 to 2.7 today. We'll know in the morning. It takes a few hours. Right, here we go. So, my Vanguard ETF S&P 500, I haven't bought any more here. I've got enough. All right, got enough. There could be further dips to come. Virgin Galactic is down today 4%. I'm down 7.65. I'm not buying any more because I'm getting ready should it go to $4 to buy there. But I don't want to sell it either because at any moment there could be some good news and it could pop up without me. And I do not want to be out of the stock if that happens. So there we go. Virgin Orbit. Right, you know the story behind Virgin Orbit. Well, we've been dollar cost averaging. And we are down to 348 below where I first bought in, which is exactly where I want to be, but I'm showing an average of 367, but I've only got $1,000 worth. I had $2,000 worth before, so I could buy now and I would pretty much have my average back where I bought in last time, but I'm not going to do that. Because we learned from last time, I ended up 10% down. It popped up on good news, so I know I can get it back, but it could go lower. So I'm waiting to buy the next 1,000 because I've got 2,000 allocated. The next 1,000 if it goes down dramatically more. Otherwise, I'm staying where I am until it does. And if it doesn't, I've got a good amount here anyway. So one way or another, that's my position. All right. Tesla now, market profit said it could go a lot lower soon. I wouldn't mind buying a share of Tesla at 500 or 600 if it does do that. So I will, just keep it open, and I'm not selling it either. I don't see it going down dramatically. My average is 709, so it's not too bad. All right, we've got 3 in Twitch now. We need at least 5 for half an hour. If we could do that, would be great. Rivian. Rivian is down 4.38%. Lucid is down 2.45 today. 2.45. We've got 18 watching and only 4 likes. What's going on here? That's going on. All right, smash the like button. We've got a really good audience. We're starting off with a really good crowd. 18 straight away. Smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell if you've not done it before, and give us a thumbs up. Here is Mr. NFT, one of my NFTs. Smash the like. Let's put a minute on the screen. We could have at least 15 likes. There's 18 watching right now. Let's put a minute on the clock. Let's get the likes up. Let's see what we can do. All right, here we go. Let's get this show moving today. We've got some good news as well. We've got some good news about where the markets are going. I'm quite happy. Virgin Orbit is still falling. giving opportunity. That's all it's doing, is giving opportunity. Let's keep looking through. We've got 7 likes now. Smash the like button if you've just come on in and be part of the family. Let us know you're here. That'd be absolutely great if you wouldn't mind doing that. All right, we got 7 likes. Very quiet. Leonardo Rodriguez, how are you this afternoon? Arrival is taking a drop. That's not good, as the UPS people were there today. What do we know? We need to find out the news. If anyone has any news whatsoever on what might have gone down with UPS visiting Arrival, let me know, because the stocks aren't reacting very well. Now then, we are seeing Virgin Orbit go even lower. Now, this is where you get caught out. This is the dangerous part of trading and investing. You buy the dips and very quickly you run out of money because you don't wait long enough. You don't wait long enough. This could go down to 250. It's done it before, all right? It could well do that. So basically then I would go all in. I would go all in at 250 and then my average would come smashing down. I can't do it yet. I've got a $2,000 allocation for it. I can't... I can't. I'm just laughing at some of the comments. I can't go all in yet. I have to wait. Even though it's gone down, it won't make that much of a difference if I buy in at 344 yet. We want to see it really go down, and that's where we want to jump in, all right? So we'll keep our eye on it. Let's go to the other end of the portfolio. Look at crypto. Getting ready for the big crash. It's coming. I'm sure it's coming. BTC. Now, the good news I was talking about with the stocks is it looks like we will reach bottom soon. Inflation, some 30% of people think that we've already peaked. The rest will think we're going to peak this month and next month. So we are heading towards where we need to be. That's when the Fed will start reversing. Maximum of 6 months is the general feeling around what's going on at the moment. 6 months. Now, that means you don't wait to 6 months, because as you hit the bottom, it's no longer the bottom. People have already started buying in. It's not like the whole market sits and waits to the day they say it's the bottom. Oh, okay, now I'll buy in then, because it's already too late. As we approach the bottom, you have already got to be in. So it's why I'm buying in now. It's why I'm buying the dips right now. I'm still holding back, not getting heavy into margin, nothing like that, but watching what's going on. And slowly adding positions, waiting for Bitcoin to come down, and so on. But there you go. There are opportunities now. There are opportunities presenting themselves, but we're not at the bottom yet. We're getting close, though. Over the next couple of months, there'll be rallies. There'll be little blips up like we've had the last couple of weeks actually. So just watch out for it, but don't suddenly start buying everything, because all of a sudden you'll run out of opportunities. Now then, we've only got 8 likes and 16 watching. Smash the like, guys. What's going on? Moe Miller, Mike. How many have we got in Twitch now? We need at least 5 for the half an hour. We're showing 3 at the moment. We're trying to get affiliated with an average of 3. We're on 2.6 now, so there's a Twitch. If you can open Twitch at the same time as YouTube, that would be great. Please don't abandon YouTube, but if you can open a separate tab or device, it would be great. We've got 3 right now. Okay, now then, Canoe, I want to get out of this stock. I'm not looking just to buy it. I don't think there's anything happening there with Apple. I might be wrong, but I don't have any faith in it. Tesco's is down slightly. That's okay. Target is down. Big today, 3 1/3% today. Hi, Martin, Moe Miller. How are you? You said last week no more from BSV would like to come to your show. You said last week no one from BSV would like to come to your show and debate any BTC person, but I just spoke to Kurt and from BSV and he's messaged you and you never responded. I've not received a message from Kurt. I don't have a message from Kurt, and if I have, ask him to email me or come on the show, or I've not received a message, so I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I can have a quick look on my Twitter right now, but I don't see a message from Kurt. I think I know who you mean. In fact, there he is. I think he's there. That's Kurt, co-host. Yeah, I see him. But no, I don't have a message. I don't have a message. Nothing at all. He may have tweeted, of course, at some point, but I get a lot of messages. It's hard to keep up with it. But no direct message, so I'm sorry. I'd love to hear from him. Anyway, so Mo, thanks for letting me know. Kurt will contact you again. He was a BT person back in the day. A nice one. Moe Miller, I'd love to have him on the show. It'd be great to have a discussion. Really, really would. That'd be great. Robbie Cooper, hello, how are you? Good to see you. How was your hangover this morning? I'm absolutely fine. Steady on. I only had a little bit. What's going on? Kurt Workup would like to come to your show and debate anyone or explain anything. Anyone, love it. Moe, invite him. We'd love him to be here. Great. It was sent via pigeon email. Yeah. Now, we are very excited about our first newsletter. I think it's going to be fun. You don't want to miss the first one, right? If you've not yet signed up for it, you can always unsubscribe from it. There's no reason not to get it, I think, really. Here's the email. If you've not yet signed up, there is the email. Go and sign yourself up for it. When you go to the link there, you will go to this page here. I'm going to show you right now. Put in your email, click subscribe, but that isn't it. That isn't the end of the story. Some of you actually haven't done the next step. It's why I'm going to tell you right now. The next step is then to verify your email. All right, so we don't get spam or we don't get bad people like that. There it is. All right, when you go to this page, you come to there. Look, subscribe to the Day Trader newsletter. Then check email inbox for verification email. Put your email in there. Click subscribe, and on Sunday it comes out. And I'm very excited about it. So there you go. It is going to be every Sunday. 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. in the evening in the UK. There it is. There's going to be different sections. It's going to be a fun email. It's not going to be like we do anything else. So it's not like, well, I'm already getting everything. No, it's completely different. Hopefully you'll enjoy it, and it'll be a good Sunday read. A little brief email. There you go. All right. Okay. I'm looking forward to my yearly newsletter. Can't wait till 2023. Yeah, sign up for the newsletter. You get it once a year. It's amazing. If I live another 30 years, you'll get 30 more copies. It's brilliant. Thank you for that lovely analogy, Paul B. Brilliant. Okay, let's have a quick look in Twitch. What we got now? Still just showing 3. Okay, that's a bit scary today. We need at least 5 in there. We're running right now, so if you can jump into Twitch right now, get the average up only for half an hour, and then I'll close the stream. We're at 2.6 now. 2.6. We want at least 5 there today if we can. Oh, we got 5. Yes, we've got 5. Brilliant. I'm waiting for the movie. Well, you can get a movie if you're the backer of the movie for my Kickstarter in 2 days and 18 hours. 2 days and 18 hours. That's the Kickstarter. So anyway, if you want to be part of that, we now have 18 followers. And remember, if you back it for the perks and benefits of backing a Kickstarter, you only have to follow through with your pledge if I get fully funded. If I don't, I get nothing, and you don't have to pay anything. So there you go. It's worth just following it. It's free to follow anyway. So you'll be part of it on Friday at 9 a.m. in the show. Okay. All right. Let's go back to the stocks right now. We are still falling. We're down 5.47. So I reckon we're within 6 months of a bottom. And that's good to know, because that means 3 months in, 4 months in, we'll be rallying. It won't just suddenly 6 months hit the bottom, then everyone buys in. Everybody will start buying in before the bottom. It won't just suddenly be the bottom, and then there's like an email goes out and says, right, everybody, it's at the bottom. People have already bought. The moment people buy, the stocks go up again. So get ready for it. It's why I'm buying in. Now, today I've bought a few things. I bought a few ETFs with dividends. Robinhood, I've got 6. I'm in profit. I'm up 1.18%. I've been waiting for a further dip. It hasn't come yet. I'm not loading up on this yet because there could be a further dip. So I'm not going to load up on Robinhood because they're not making any profit. I would like to own it, but I'm not going to go in yet. The merger doesn't look like it's going through, so I'm holding back a little bit. But what I am going on is Virgin Orbit, because I think we are likely to have a third world war. If I'm honest, it's likely to happen, or at least a main war in Europe. Virgin Orbit might play an integral part in that. Might play an integral part, as would Virgin Galactic. So I think it's a stock worth being in for satellite security. The military, they're working with Virgin Orbit. I think it could be a good stock to get. So I am down 6% today, despite it's down nearly 11%, because I've been buying the dips. I am looking to buy some more, but I'm holding back. I would like to, even now would be great, but it could go lower. I now know from buying it the first time round that 350 wasn't low enough. It went a bit lower, so I'm not jumping in just yet. Anyway, we have 28 subscribers now to our newsletter, so there you go. Russia will be absolutely flattened. He can barely win in Ukraine. Now, that might be the case, but it doesn't mean it won't start, though. I'm not saying Russia's going to win, but the trouble is, though, if Russia fire nuclear bombs, what are you going to do then? What are we going to do then? Hope to God we can shoot them down? I don't know. Anyway, it's not worth worrying about. I used to worry about it every day, and it was bringing me down, and now I think sod it. I don't even care. Sounds awful, doesn't it? I don't care. I can't live like that. I cannot live in the fact that an iron dome will shoot them down. An iron dome. Yeah, I've got one going up over my house. It's nuclear proof. It's ready to go. I bought it on Amazon, $9.99. I even got free delivery on it. I'm ready to go. I'm not messing around. I'm ready to go. The S&P is down today. Virgin Galactic is down. Virgin Orbit still falling. Tesla falling. SPY going to be 360 on July 15th. July 15th. That's what you reckon? SPY. That's where you think it's going. I think everything's got a little way to go yet. But people will start buying in, though. More and more all the time. Polestar. I'm very happy with my Polestar. I made 10% on the way up. Sold it. Bought it back today, and I'm up again 1.26. I haven't got a huge position, but that's really all I actually need with Polestar. I've got other EVs. I don't need, a whole EV portfolio. So there you go. All right, we're showing 5 in Twitch. We've got we're on 20 minutes right now. Never 12 minutes to go, and I will end the stream with 5, and we should get up to 2.7 today, maybe 2.7 today. So there we go. That would be brilliant. Okay, if we can get up to 2.7 today, that would be brilliant. If we can get a couple more people in Twitch, that would maybe push us up even higher. All right, that's a weapon-based system across Europe and USA, which is designed to shoot rockets. Shoot rockets down. All right, I never heard of it. Iron Dome will shoot them down. Okay, Iron Dome. Well, I hope it works, because I can't imagine we've tested it very often. That's what worries me about all these things. Technology doesn't always work, right? Elon Musk crashed lots of rockets, and we're just hoping stuff we really need to work when it really needs to work really works. That's what I'm saying. I don't think we've shot down that many nuclear missiles, have we? Have we done it? Have we done that? I don't know. Anyway, I just think you got to laugh at it. You get down about it. It's like, bloody hell, what's the point? Robinhood, okay. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce again now. I'm up. I'm okay with that. I'd like to buy some more. I only have 6, but remember, once upon a time, Robinhood was $70 a share. Obviously, that's a different world away, but it was at one point. Can't see it ever going there. Well, not for at least 5 years anyway. Anyway, McDonald's down today. Not a bad time to accumulate some more McDonald's, if I'm honest. Let me have a quick look. No, it's got a way to go. If I'm going to buy some more McDonald's, it's got a way to go, so I'm going to leave that. Coca-Cola, same. I'd like to acquire some more there. Good dividends, but we've got lower. We've got a lower position. We could do it, especially in the next couple of weeks. It won't happen. Putin will be assassinated by the end of the summer or die from illness. That's my prediction. I wish that was the case. Wouldn't that be great? Isn't it awful to say that? But it's not, is it? Does anyone think it's awful to say I wish Putin was dead? Need a wrench for the researcher. Bill, you don't need the wrench. What you do is share the links in Discord. That's how we do it now. We don't share links anymore in the chat. We share links in Discord in the channel, which says links for YouTube. It's already set up, assigned, ready to rock and roll. Ready to rock and roll. Okay. It's true. Won't happen. What's true, Mike? What's true? What is true? We're in Discord. I just told you. I'll tell you again. It is the channel called Links for YouTube. All right. Here it is. Look. Links for YouTube. Let me share it with you, Bill. Links for YouTube. See it? Right underneath there. Look, right there. Look. It's right underneath the Day Trader. The Day Trader channels, which you can see, because you'll remember. Links for YouTube. See it? Drop it in there, and we can have it in the show. It's true about Putin. It's not a YouTube. It's not a YouTube. What's not a YouTube? It's not a YouTube. What does that mean? Anyway. Bill needs his own personal assistant. He does. He does. Let's get Bill. Let's raise money for Bill and his assistant. I think we should do that. That's a brilliant idea. Bill needs his own personal assistant. I like that. I think that's good. I'll give you that one. Market Profit. Do you know what? Are you a member, Market Profit? Yeah, you are. Do you know what? I'm going to give that a good joke. Yes, I am. It's a good joke. I'm going to give it a good joke. We like that one. Market Profit does not get the clanger. He gets the drum roll. That's a good joke. All right. If you're a member and you send in a joke and you get a bad joke, you get this one. All right. But Market Profit, I like that. My link is not a YouTube. My link is not a YouTube. I don't even know what that means. My link is not a YouTube. It doesn't have to be a YouTube. I don't know. A link's a link. Whatever your link is, you can share it in Links for YouTube. It's called Links for YouTube because I share the links on YouTube. So you put the links in the Links for YouTube and I share it on YouTube. You don't share it on YouTube. You just put it in YouTube. You said you wanted to share a link. So put it in the Links for YouTube. And I will share the links for YouTube in the Links for YouTube on YouTube. Bloody hell. I'm getting stressed here. Virgin Orbit is starting to come up a little bit. Okay, got it. Bloody hell. That was difficult, wasn't it? Flipping hell, Bill. You're giving me a bloody heart attack here. I had a heart attack from Neil yesterday. Now you're doing it. It's about the Iron Dome. All right, I'd like to know about it. My lord, this is funny. Bill, you're a beauty. He's a beauty, isn't he? Bill is a beauty. In Discord now. All right, links for YouTube. Has he done it? He's done it. Bless him. He's done it. There you go. Look, he's done it. I love it. Flipping heck. That was some stress right there. That was blowing my head up there. Right, here we go. This is it. Accept all cookies. Yes, okay, I'll accept your cookies. This is the link from Bill. Iron Dome air defense missile system. Right, we need this. Iron Dome is an effective truck-towed multi-mission. I want one of these for my house. Dasher's here. Why BSV over BTC? Simple answer, please. Why BSV over BTC? I will give you a simple answer. Iron Dome air defense system. There you go. That's in YouTube right now. That's in the links for YouTube. So go and have a little look. But I'm going to buy one of these. I'm going to buy one. So then, if Putin fires off the missiles, I'm going to have that in the garden. I like the fact. This is funny. This is to shoot down nuclear weapons, and they've all got masks on. That's good. That's good. How are you, my friend? I am very well. I am very well. Let's have a little chat. Let's have a chat with Dasher. Let's have a chat with Dasher. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Market profit. That's it. Right. So, Dasher said, why BSV over BTC? Simple answer, please. Well, I'm going to give you a simple answer. Right now, there is manipulation, corruption, lies, cheating, selfishness, greed, people making up stuff, cryptos going bankrupt, disappearing, exchanges, lying, cheating. The whole crypto space is in absolute disarray. And for the average man on the street, no one has a clue what's going on. And we know that because hardly anyone globally is invested in it, right? It's still an emerging new market. Now, I believe, because of all of that, and no other reason, I think crypto is the future, yep. But, unfortunately, it's run by people, and people have ruined it, for the moment, anyway. So, Ethereum and Bitcoin, the two main ones, I had 10,000 in each. Sold it. I'm waiting for it all to go down to like 10 grand or even less. I think that crash will come. Now, if it doesn't, and I miss out, it doesn't matter. I'm more likely to make 100% profit on Virgin Galactic or Virgin Orbit or Tesla, for that matter, than I am any crypto. Any of my high growth stocks could double or triple. Certainly, Virgin Galactic could triple or quadruple. More likely to do that this summer than any crypto is. So, why have I got BSV? Short answer, because BSV is already at the bottom. It's already cheap as chips. I can own 11 Bitcoin on BSV, and if it goes up to $1 million, I've got 11 million bucks. If it goes to zero, I don't care. I only lose $600. If it goes to $1 million, I've got $1 million worth, and I only want 200,000 to retire on. That's it. I'm not greedy. I'm not trying to be the richest man in the world or anything. So for me, I think Mark said it perfectly. BSV is a better priced lottery ticket. I think so. I absolutely great. I think market profit has nailed it perfect. BSV is a better priced lottery ticket. I think every investor should have property at the bottom. Your biggest amount of money is in property. Then as you go up, you buy an ETF, dividend stocks, and the pyramid gets smaller and smaller and smaller. And right on the top of the pyramid, least amount of money, the highest risk is your lottery ticket. So for me, BSV is sat right on the top as a lottery ticket. And that's what it is. I'll never buy any more. I don't need any more. If it goes to $1, I won't buy any more. As Warren Buffett said, if someone offered him all the Bitcoin in the world for $50, he wouldn't buy it because it doesn't do anything. Well, if everybody offered me all the Bitcoin in the world, the BSV for $1, I wouldn't buy it. I've got enough, haven't I? I've got 11. I'm rich enough. So there we go. Watch out for the cap, the cap Nazi. You get a free toilet roll with BSV. There you go. There you go. How dare you, Mike? I love it. That's funny. Hang on. No market bill. No market bill is the cap Nazi. Oh, we got confusion here now. We got confusion going on here. Thank you, mate. Dasher, you're very, very welcome. I thought he was the source Nazi. Yeah, he has many tasks. I have the source to a friend from the army who was a cook, and he will put them to good use. There we go. Wow, we are getting some spelling pressure into closure, some selling pressure. Unusual for only 3 days left in the quarter. Yes, it's why I am waiting for dips to go dip. What do you get if you get across a dip with a dip? You get a dippity-doo-dah. And there you go. Dip to dip to dip to dip to dips. All you ever get is more dips. So just go steady when you start buying the dips. You run out of money. You ran out of money. GDP tomorrow will be interesting to see. People are scared. Virgin Orbit is touching 30 SMA. I think it's a good entry right now. No financial advice. Leonardo, we love it. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. 348. It can go lower. Like I've always said, I don't do chart reading. I just look at what's going on with people. Like you say, it can go to it's touching the 30 SMA, but you know it's irrelevant in my book because it's gone down as low as 261. So you know, at the end of the day, I'm just dollar cost averaging. I don't need the very bottom. I just need to be in it. That's all. I sold it yesterday when it popped up. I got my money back. I'm now just down 5%. I've got a lower position. It's all good. And if I double it up now, I will virtually eliminate the average loss. It will go from 5 down to 2 if I buy $1,000 worth, which I will do if it goes down to about 293. I will. Thank you, Bill, for sending that in via Discord. Appreciate it very much indeed. All right. Now then, let's say to Dasha, because you've not seen this yet, we've got a new service if you'd like, if you're interested. I've got a very exciting, fun newsletter starting on Sunday. It's free to everyone. It's a newsletter. You can unsubscribe if you don't like it. If you don't like it anymore, you don't have to have it anymore. There it is. We've now got, we released it yesterday. We've got 28 people already signed up. It's going to be fun. It's going to come to you every Sunday at 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. Every Sunday, it's going to be a Sunday read. I hope you'll enjoy it with my thought of the day, the past week, the week that was, the week ahead, and I hope you'll all enjoy it. It should be a fun read. So there you go. Once you've clicked on that link, make sure that you do the next stage, and the next stage is check your inbox. Email inbox for verification email. See it like it says on the screen? Some of you haven't done that. You clicked subscribe and thought you were done. No, it sends you an email, and half of you haven't actually confirmed the email. So if you've not done that, you can fill it out again and do that. Sign up for the yearly newsletter. Come on, get it. Once a year. It's coming once a week. Don't confuse people. We got Bill in the stream. He might start thinking it's only once a year. I only get it once a year. No, it's weekly. Don't confuse people, Paul. You'll create chaos. I did it. Leonardo Rodriguez did it. Leonardo Rodriguez is one of our new members. He's on... Leonardo, did you get your Discord sorted out? Did we upgrade you? Did we do all that? Did we upgrade you on Discord so you can see everything? Want to make sure we did. Extra, read all about it. Exactly. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be great. Have you got it, Market Profit? Do you want a Sunday read? Hi, man. How are you? Here. Patty signed up for it. Yes, you did. Oh, you're good. You're all sorted. Good stuff. All right. Virgin Galactic. Now, you said about selling pressure. I haven't got selling pressure going into the close. My stocks are starting to come up. They've already sold. I've already given everything away today. I can't do it anymore. Polestar, I'm up 0.7. Huobi Crypto Exchange will lay off 30% of its staff due to revenue drop following the removal of Chinese users. There we go. More bad news in the crypto space. Thanks for bringing that to us. Look at LYT. I don't know, Robbie Cooper. Are you a member? The chart will shock you. Massive drop today. LYT. I don't know. I can only look at it if you're a member, so I don't know if I should. LYT. Let's have a look. Oh my God. That's not good, is it? Lighters Technologies provides content streaming, Yep. The moment I read that, the first sentence said, yep, I know why. I wouldn't touch that stuff. It's not proprietary. It doesn't do anything else anybody else can't do. Never buy a stock that anybody else can do. That's why Netflix is no good. Because anyone could be a Netflix. Amazon could go, all right, we'll put on Ozark on our channel. It's ridiculous. Anyone can replace a streaming service. People, it's like all of you guys. All of you guys could unsubscribe to me in a heartbeat and my business goes from not making very much money to making none. Overnight. I can't stop you. All right? I'm a YouTube channel. I don't do anything other than my own personality. Well, Netflix, Lighters, doesn't have a personality, right? You just sign up for someone else. Content streaming and telecasting. Anyone could do what they do. So, and they can be undercut, done better. I wouldn't ever invest in this sort of stuff. But wow, an opportunity, you might go, I like it as an opportunity, but it's, how long has it been around for? All right, it's just come out. Okay, it came out. There we go. 15th of June it IPO'd. All right. It had its usual little dip. Went all the way up to $40 and then all the way down to $7. A pump and dump classic. Now, you might regard that as a great option right now. But just because it's $7 doesn't mean to say it can't stay at 7. Just because it opened here, it can. I wouldn't touch it. It's too risky for me. Doesn't do anything proprietary. Doesn't do anything that's revolutionary or... Unless I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong. Rod Weegwees as Lesnat... What? Would you... What? Rod Weegwees as Lasnesman would say WKRP. I think Bill's on the source again. Of course I'm a member here. I've been here loads. I know. I've been here loads, he says. I've been here loads. Thoughts on XELA. 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 Let's have a look. XELA. Let's have a look. I've got no thoughts. Does anybody have any thoughts on this one for Dasher? You're very lucky, Dasher, that I'm looking at it for you. I only review stocks, make videos on stocks, and buy stocks that members ask me for. So I'm being very nice to you today. I don't know why I'm doing that. Unlike me, I'm not a nice person normally. Exceler Technologies engages in the provision of transaction processing solutions, enterprise information management. Know nothing about this one. You do like your penny stocks, though. I'm not sure I'd want to... I mean, it's how the Wolf of Wall Street made his money, I guess. 13 cents. I don't know. Does that interest anybody at 13 cents? It's a company with 148.16 million average volume. Today's volume is 103. Today's low is 13. Its high, its 52-week high is 545. Its 52-week low is 1284. Thank you. Ignore this stock. We are being extremely kind. You are being extremely kind. Not at all. Not at all. We're here for everyone. We're here for everyone. See, I am being extra nice to you because I'm hoping you'll become a member. And I'm hoping you'll sign up for my newsletter. See, the list goes on and on and on. Here's the invitation join. So you see, nearly everyone's a member. Nearly everyone's a member because they know why. They all get 20 times back what they put in. There's the invitation to join. Maybe she'll become a member. Or maybe she'll sign up for my weekly newsletter. My weekly magazine. My thoughts of the day. That's bloody rubbish. What's rubbish? That stock? Yeah, 13 cents. Yeah. Shall we buy one? Can you buy one share at 13 cents? Is that possible? Can you actually buy one share of that? 13? I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I was trying to read more about it, but there's not much more about it. So anyway, there you go. Anyway, you're welcome. I'm glad we had a look at it for you. WXRP in Cincinnati. Les Newsman News intro and news report. Chi. Just links for YouTube. What's all that about? I can't play a YouTube video. I might get copyright bill, but everyone can have a little listen to it though. Let me go back to the main portfolio a minute. Right, we need to run a quick commercial break. How many people now have we got on Twitch? Can I close it? 5. Okay, fantastic. We got 39 minutes. I'm going to close Twitch right now. We got 5. Has everybody followed me? Is everybody in? Okay, let me end it now on Twitch. 5. That's good. We're only after 3 average. Let me go into what do you call it? My streaming software. You don't know what it is. You don't care. You don't care what it's called. Why do you care what it's called? Right, I'm going to click it now. Day trader on what do you call it? Am I losing my memory? Probably. On Twitch. Bloody hell. I'm getting the first start of Alzheimer's, ain't I? I don't remember anything. That's not good, is it? That's not really that good. All right, there we go. Right, I've ended it now. Achievements. Look at my achievements. Yeah, still showing 2.6. It takes a little while for it to update. So we shall see. We shall see what it does later. I shall refresh it and I'll let you know. Right, okay. The S&P is down. Oh, I haven't run my commercial. What am I doing? I'm missing out money here. Money. I pay good money. Pay good money. Let me click on live. Insert an ad. There it is. Okay, come up to date. Get involved. Can't believe I didn't do that. Right. We've got 28 subscribers now to my newsletter. Right then. Luna Classic keep going up. I'm already 11% up today. 400 plus last week. Very nice, Luna. You bought it at the bottom, right? You're a brave man you're a brave man than me. That's risky business. Risky business buying it like that. But I wish you all the very best. Do you have any cash left? I've got access to money. I've got 25,000 buying power. That's margin. But I can use it if I want to. Why? Should I buy something with my $25,000? I've got 25 grand there. What should I buy? I can buy anything. I could buy a house. Should I buy a house on my margin? That's not a joke, actually. You can do that. Robinhood lets you use the margin to buy other stuff. So I technically could buy a $25,000 house today if I wanted to. No. He's saying don't touch it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Virgin Galactic is going back down again. Virgin Orbit threatening to come back up again. I'm waiting for it to go lower, though, before I touch any more. Tesla is 700 now. We're down 4.8. Don't get into margin. Too risky. Rivian. Yes. Leonardo said yes. Yes. Spend it all. Spend $25,000 and buy that 13-cent stock. That's what I should do. I should buy that 13-cent stock. I'll buy 1 million shares of it. That's what I should do, you know. Go back to that 13-cent stock and buy it all. Brilliant. Okay, we've got 2 days to go now before our very exciting Kickstarter. We're trying to go viral on YouTube. Sorry, viral on Kickstarter. And how you go viral on Kickstarter is get funded in 1 hour. And then they start promoting you. And the purpose of that is it will promote the YouTube channel. That's the idea. And set up my first positive campaign. And that's a good thing to show that you've succeeded and delivered. So there you go. If you want to be following me, click on that link and click notify me on launch. You all need to be in on it, ready for Friday. You don't have to commit to anything at all. We've got 18 followers now. But yeah, be great if you could all get involved in that. Okay. Polestar's done well for me now. I'm up 0.5%. So there we go. That's good. Arrival. Not good today. We don't know what happened with the UPS visit. Was the visit today? Did it happen? It's not good that it's down today. Did they turn around and go, we don't like the vans, we cancelled the order? We don't know. I will research it after the show and see if I can find out for you and make a video on it. Apple still going down 2.86, down only 10% now. Robinhood, I've only got a small position and I'm up very slightly, waiting for another dip. McDonald's is getting more and more interesting. Coca-Cola is getting very interesting right now. Get a big discount on Coke. Johnson & Johnson is also on a discount today. Google is down 3.28, also on a discount today. Like to buy more Google. Google and Microsoft are best placed for all of this nonsense. And we're down 3% on Google Microsoft, at the moment. But there could be a bit more pain to come. So I'm holding out for a little while longer. Meta, I did say, has one more pull down. And it certainly does. Before I jump in and buy that, I've got one. That's it. SoFi is down. IonQ is down. Everything is down today. But if we go back to the main portfolio, we're up on the week. I think. Yes, we're still up on the week. We're up on the week, but we're down over the month. So this last couple of weeks, we've had things have started to pick up, but you have to be careful because if you look at the year, you can see we have these rallies and dumps, rally and dump, rally and dump. Hopefully it won't dump again, but it probably will. So we just have to be careful of that. All right, we've just got 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let me see who's in the... oh, hang on a minute. 12 likes, 22 watching. What's going on? Have you ever had shares in AMD? Yes, I have. We've had shares in AMD and a lot of drama. A lot of fun and games with it. We've had people calling in, telling me to sell it all. And get out of it, sell it now. And literally paid me money to sell it. It was a lot of fun. Tried to talk to you on TikTok. Brian's Worlds by London Energy. This is our main show, Brian's Worlds. We use TikTok to promote what we're doing on YouTube. This is our YouTube show. Much better, right? You can see much more what's going on, right? This is look, much better screen. You can see all the parts of the studio. This is where you need to be. TikTok isn't really a place for investing. I see no problem. You see no problem with what? TikTok. Buy London Energy. 688. Yeah, this is the place to be. This is where our family is. Would everybody please welcome our guest in, Brian Walls. So let me introduce myself to you. My name is Martyn Lucas, known as the World Piano Man. I've performed all over the world, 195 countries. I've been everywhere. This is my TV studio. This is the Martyn Lucas Music Studio back here, where I've raised over $1 million for charities. I can do a live song in the show. If someone gives me a $10 super chat, you can have one of 14 voices, 7 different languages, 650 songs. Back over there in the studio. At the front here, it's the Day Trader Studio. And what you were watching was that screen there on TikTok. That's what you were watching on my phone just here, see? That's what you were watching. Anyway, I'm actually from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, and my studio is here in Texas, and we're trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. We do cash giveaways all the time. Everything you see here is real. This is my real shares, my real money, my real positions. We go live 4, 5, 6, 7 hours every single day. Yesterday we were live for 12 hours. It's my full-time gig, helping people, raising people money, giving money away. It's what I love to do. It's why we're here. So there's Brian Walls. Would everybody please put their cities and countries in and welcome Brian Walls to the show. Anyway, he asked to see Buy London Energy, 688. 1st of July they merged with BP. New name, no department. I am really only interested in renewables, solar, stuff like that. If London Energy is oil and gas, I don't see any future in that at all. It's a temporary, quick way to make money, but I day trade, but I also, everything I do is, if I left my portfolio for 6 months, would I be up? Could I walk away and come back in 10 years and be up? That's what my portfolio is built like. I'm not really a fan of oil, if it is that. I will definitely come back to you on 1st of July. It's going to merge with Ecamm BP. Moscow. Paul B likes to tell people he's from North Korea. Today he says he's from Moscow. Don't listen to him. Look on the picture. He's a Manchester United supporter. Look, do you want to hear him? Do you want to hear him? Does this sound like someone from Russia? Here's Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
There you go. Does he sound like he's from North Korea or from Moscow to you? I'm just saying. Doesn't sound right to me. Name will be Oran Energy. I'll have a look at it after the show. If you will remember, I would look at it right now and I would feature it and I'd make a video on it. I'd even buy a share in it because I do that for my members. But you're not a member right now, you're a guest. If you'd like to be a member, here's the invitation to join. If you'd like to talk to all our investors and traders offline and you'd like to get to know everybody and talk on Discord, you can. There it is. If you'd like my newsletter, the first edition comes out on Sunday every week. There's my newsletter. Click on that. It'll take you to this page here, and then make sure that you click. Hang on a minute. I broke it. There you go. Click on this one here. Click subscribe, and then go to your email and check your emails for verification. And verify the email, and then you'll be in to receive my letter. Some of you haven't done that yet. All right. Paddy is here. How are you, Paddy? Now, did we get the likes up? We got 12 likes, 32 watching. What's going on? Right, I've had enough of this. It's a free show. All you got to do is like the video. If you've not liked the video, we're going to fall out right now because I'm going to put Mr. Mini-Me up on the screen. We've got 34 watching and 13 likes. Here we go. Here's Mr. Mini-Me, and here comes the 1 minute timer. I want 20 likes now, otherwise I'm going to go on strike. I'm going to go on strike, you lazy, lazy people. What's going on? With the real Satoshi, please stand up. Say please stand up. Say please stand up. With the real Satoshi, stand up. Nakamoto. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Unbelievable. We can't have this. We've got 15 likes now, 30 watching. There's Mr. Mini-Me. You're right in my face. Look at that. You're right there, look. You're right in the way today. I don't mind. We've got 26 seconds to go, 17 likes. It's getting better. There you go. Okay. Chiggy, 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 oop, bap, bar, oop, chiggy, 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 oop, oop, oop. 17 likes. 17 likes with the real Satoshi. Stand up. Hey! Right. All right. We got up a little bit. Have you seen Love Island? Martin, just wanted to tell you and come back to you on 1st of July before market closes to see what happened. Right. Well, Brian's Worlds, I would love to talk to you more. Do come back. Become a member of the family. Get our newsletter. Be part of it. Be part of the best YouTube channel in the world. That's all I'm saying, all right? Why wouldn't you be, right? Our Kickstarter starts in 2 days. Who's in? Who signed up? Who signed up for the Kickstarter? Who wants to be part of the explosion of excitement? Patty, Love Island is in 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Yes, I watched it yesterday. Paul B. Ali U. Oh, here we go. I'm not starting this again. It's chaos. Hit that like button, guys. Come on. Let's make this channel go viral. There you go. Leonardo Rodriguez, he's ready for it. He wants to be part of the best YouTube channel in the world. He's ready for it. All right, okay. We've got 7 minutes to go before the bell goes. Get ready. We've got the S&P just going sideways. We've got Virgin Galactic still going down. Oh, no, this again. Here we go. Virgin Orbit is trying to come up. I'm okay with that. I'm not buying any more though. Watch out for the cap. Right, it's nice. Mini you, Martin. You like the mini me, do you? You like the mini me? It's a little tiny version of me. He's about a centimetre long and he lives on a computer. And he's called an emoji. Hit the like who? What? Eh? What's going on? Right, don't forget, if you're a member, you can call in and do a joke. If your joke is funny, you will get the drum roll and the round of applause. If you do a funny joke, members only, please. You ready? That's what you get. On the other hand, if your joke is rubbish, you get this. Yeah, so there you go. Be bold, be proud, stand up, be counted. All right, okay. Rivian is going down, 4.97, still going down. All right, I'm very excited about my mailer. I want to make sure everyone gets the first episode. It's going to be fun. If you've not signed up for it yet, why? Why? It's a backup for the stream as well, should you not wish, should anything ever happen. All right, Ali is into self-awareness. Ali is into self-awareness? Is he into what does that mean, self-awareness? He's aware of himself. I'm aware of myself. I know I'm sat here. I know that much. Send it who? I've no idea what this nonsense is about, by the way. Oh, we just got a new subscriber. Martyn Felix just subscribed to the channel. Very nice. Martin, have you signed up for the test drives yet? No! I've been busy all day sorting out the newsletter. Flipping heck, seriously. Come on, give me a break here. Give me a break. I can't keep up with it. Can't keep up with it, I said. All right. Okay. What was I going to do then? Oh, I will Brian Wall says, I will definitely come back. Just try to convince you to buy a few and talk with me 1st of July when they merge and started by the name Oren Energy. 688 now, 1st of July evening. If you became a member, I'd make a video on it. The video would go viral. We can promote it and I'd buy a stock. How about that? How about that, Brian's Worlds? If you become a member live in my show right now, I will not only buy a share of it, I will make a video on it and promote it and it will go viral. There you go. Here is the invitation. I'm being very serious, Brian Walls. Let me give it to you right now. There's the invitation to join. If you become a member, I will buy a share of it and I will also make a video on it. How about that? Right, let's have a look at it. Hang on. Oren Energy. What is the ticker symbol? It might not even be on Robinhood. You've got to remember that. It might not always be on Robinhood. Where is the ticker symbol? Dutch, based in Sweden. Okay. Name will be what is it? What is it now? It's going to merge with Ecamm BP. Awesome. That'll definitely. Well, let me have a look. What's it called now? Awesome, dude. Yes, yes, yes. But London Energy. Okay, let me have a look. London Energy. London Energy. Oh, right. It's not showing on Robinhood. That's not a good sign. London Energy is not showing on Robinhood, so I need the ticker symbol. Or maybe it's not even available on Robinhood. London Energy, Swedish company. It's not even on Robinhood at the moment. So is it under something else? Anyway, heard the newsletter is only yearly. That's a long time to wait. Don't listen to him, Robbie Cooper. Don't listen to our Paul B confusing everybody. Yes, don't listen to him. He's trying to confuse everybody. It's once a bloody week. You know it. Every Sunday afternoon. You have a cup of tea after your roast dinner on a Sunday. You sit down and you read the paper. There it is. It's in the chat right now. Don't listen to him. He's talking nonsense. INDNF. I don't believe for a second you're not. I don't think for a minute you're a scammer. Not at all. Never said you're a scammer at all. Is that the ticker symbol? LNDF? LNDNF? LNDNF. It doesn't look like it's available on Robinhood. That's half the problem. LNDNF. LNDNF. Ticker, yeah. Yearly newsletter. You get one whole paragraph about Martin's Sunday lunch. It's not available on Robinhood. So because of that, for the integrity of my show, I only actually make videos on what I have and what I can buy, because that way it's real. I don't promote stocks I don't own. I don't promote. That's the integrity of my show. It always has to be available on my portfolio. That's too bad. Yeah, it's a shame. I could buy it somewhere else, but for the integrity of my show, I never hype stocks, never promote stocks that I don't own. I don't try to sell them or advertise them, but if I get passionate about it and make a video on it, I buy it. That's what I do. And so everyone can see how my portfolio has progressed, or in this case, collapsed over the last 6 months. I do it all in one place so everyone can see all my real money all in one place. If I started having money over here and over there, no one would really know what I really had. And that's not what this show's all about. Bye all, Love Island time, see you later, ta-ra, toodaloo. There he goes on his toes for a wee-wee, I suppose. Oh, there we go. Right, the bell has gone. Let's ring the bell. I know you love the bell. Here it is. There we go. Just 2 days away and 17 hours for our Kickstarter. Are you registered? Are you in? Are you ready to rock and roll? Down 5% at the moment. We're going into... And we've got day trader of the day as well. Vanguard S&P is flat at the moment. In the after hours. All day it's down 2%. It's up slightly. Virgin Galactic is up slightly in the after hours. Virgin Orbit up slightly in the after hours. Tesla up slightly in the after hours. Okay. We wait all day and all of a sudden everything goes back up again. What's the point of that? Lucid is up in the after hours. Polestar is up in the after hours. Arrival is up in the after hours. It seems to be a theme here. Ali, don't leave the family this way. Don't leave us this way. Don't leave us this way. Leave us another way, but don't leave us this way. Leave. We have no problem with you leaving. Just don't leave this way. Just don't leave this way. Leave another way. Think of any way to leave, but don't leave this way. Leave another way. Right. We're closing the Discord lounge. If I close the broadcast lounge, yeah, the broadcast lounge, oh, it's open. Let me just close it down. No one's calling in now. We're getting ready to close the show. Ali, who left? Oh, we just gained 3 subscribers. Very nice. Thank you very much. There you go. Marvellous. Ali who? Ali, exactly. No one even knows who he is. He's a mystery to the world. He's a mystery to himself. He's a mystery to himself. I'll tell you that for nothing. Right. Okay. Robinhood markets up 0.45 in the after hours. McDonald's is flat in the after hours. Coca-Cola just down slightly in the after hours. Johnson & Johnson is flat in the after hours. Everything at the moment is just falling back a bit. Nothing great. Nothing great at all. DENTF, Aker BP. I will search for that for you. Let's have a look. DETNF. No, unavailable. Then check out Lundin Energy. Aker BP, Lundin Energy. Yeah, I will check it somewhere else, but unfortunately it's not on Robinhood. So as I said, I can't really do anything about it. And anyway, don't forget 1st of July merge. All right. Well, we hope to see you back and talk about it. Bad day in the markets, Robert Rose. Yes, it is. But it's presenting opportunities, though. Presenting me with opportunities, and that's what I've been doing all day. Buy BTC. Why? What's going on? BTC down 2.5%. So serious now. What's your plan now with stocks and crypto? Maybe dollar cost averaging, or maybe looking for a gem. What's your thoughts over the next 6 months? You talking to me or talking to somebody else? Who are you talking to? Yeah, BTC is tempting. Not for me, it's not. BTC's not tempting yet. Not tempting me at all yet. There's more bad news. There's more stuff going on. To me, it ain't. Yes, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yes, you. On the end of that YouTube camera. I'm banging on the screen, on your head. Talk to me. So serious now, what's your plan now with stocks and crypto, maybe dollar cost averaging or maybe looking for a gem? What's your thoughts over the next 6 months? Okay. I'm fully invested. I am each month. At the moment, I've got no money. I'm fully invested. Every month, I make a little bit on YouTube now. This is my full-time job. This is the only income I have. I put 80% of my YouTube money into my portfolio. Just keep putting it in. Keep putting it in all the time. What I'm doing is dollar cost averaging. I think in 6 months' time, we would have arrived at the bottom and already taken off. So over the next few months, we will hit the bottom. And you don't wait until the bottom because then the bottom is already no longer the bottom. So we're approaching the bottom. So I'm buying more in right now. I want to build a $200,000 portfolio, which I know I can do within a couple of years. And I would have been there if it wasn't for the bloody war, Vladimir Putin, and inflation. Everything else would have been great. So I won't be buying any more S&P 500. I won't be buying any more Virgin Galactic unless it goes to $4. I won't be selling it either until it's up to 30, 40 bucks and then start trimming off the top. Virgin Orbit, I won't buy any more until it goes down to like $290. Then I will double up. Then I will double up to $2,000. I know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep that. I think it's going to come into the war if there's a war. If not, future technologies, and it pairs up with Virgin Galactic anyway. Tesla, I don't care if it goes down anymore. If it goes down anymore, and the money I'm bringing in from YouTube, I will just buy a share at 400 or 300 or 200. But I'm not going to sell it. I'm just going to add to it and hold it. I think this will be $3,000 or $4,000 a share in a few years. So that's what I'm doing there. Rivian, I've got enough. I don't need any more than that. I've got Rivian, Lucid, and Polestar, my EVs. And I regard those as pure EVs. Tesla is a lot more than EVs. And they've all got about the same. 668, 360, that's a bit low. A Rivian, there we go. Slightly more in Lucid than I have in Polestar. Sorry, slightly more in Polestar than I have in Lucid. That's all looking reasonably good. I've already made money on all of those previously, and now I'm just buying dips again. Arrival, I don't need to own any more. There we go. In the after hours, it's going up. This is going to be 20, 30 bucks once the vehicles roll off the microfactories. So this is a long-term investment. Don't need to own any more of this at all. Amazon will recover. It's part of the S&P 500, one of the best companies in the world. I've got no issues about that at all. I'm just going to keep holding it. Apple, same thing. I'm just going to hold it forever. Never going to sell that. I've got my dividends, so that's looking good. Robinhood, if that drops down to 7, I'll buy some more. Otherwise, no. McDonald's, again, I just keep holding this and dollar cost average over the next 5 years. Just to bring myself up, increase the value and enjoy the dividends. When my portfolio reaches 200,000, then I'll move all into dividend stocks and earn 20% a year, and then I'll have no risk whatsoever. When Ethereum goes down to around about 500, I'll go all in. I've got allocated about $2,000 for Ethereum. When Bitcoin goes down to 10,000, 11, 12, it doesn't have to be exactly 10, I will go in probably 1,000, 2,000, something like that. BSV, I'm never going to sell it. I'm just going to hold it forever. That's like a lottery ticket. I just see it as a lottery ticket. I don't need to own more. I don't need to sell it. Simple as that. That's my general plan. Hope that makes sense. You're up or down today. Nudge it, budget, move it. We were up, but we're now down. Brian Wood, 688 and 32 merged by July 1st. Sure, definitely easy, fast money by Friday night. Going in an awesome weekend, but definitely will come back here Friday. Look forward to seeing you then. Talking about crypto and stuff. Tesla, Google, all just, let's have a look. Tesla, Google, all these just hold. Yes. These companies will rise in the years anyway. My prediction before bottom, 20-30% drop in stocks, 40-50% in crypto. That's why I'm not buying crypto right now. So I agree with you on that one. 20-30%, yeah, but they won't all do that. They won't all do that. That's why the biggest part of is VU. That won't go down 30%. Individual stocks could, but there you go. My prediction before bottom, 20-30% drop in stocks, 40-50% in crypto. Bottom not until 2023. Maybe I'm being generous with some numbers, those numbers. I don't think it's going to be that far. I think we're going to get it in the next 6 months, which will be 2023, I suppose. But yeah, by the end of the year. But by the end of the year, it would already be at the bottom. People will already be buying in. So anyway, Martin, I still have some NTNS. What do you think? Let me have a little look in a sec, Mike. I forgot all about it. Ali Tisro. Ali Tisro just gave me a tip. Thank you, Ali Tisro. We appreciate it. There we go. This is my first tip since yesterday. Thank you ever so much indeed, Ali Tisro. Much appreciate that a lot. Have ordered BC when it reaches 10,000. You got it ordered or ready to go. I can't go to a mill. It can't go to a million. Lottery ticket better option. Oh, it can't go to a million. A lottery ticket is a better. I have to translate all your bloody comments. It can't go to a million. I'm not saying it can. We're just making up numbers. No one knows. People that say BTC, BSV, it's just made up numbers. There's no calculations or facts or figures that say it will go to anything. It's purely guessing. I can't believe your paper hands. You BTC at 18,000 though. I can't believe your paper hands. You BTC at 18,000 though. I'm not sure what you mean by that one, Robert. I'm certainly not into the whole give myself a title, laser eyes, diamond hands, paper hands. It's all nonsense. You never hear serious investors talking with this language. You never hear Warren Buffett talk about paper hands, diamond hands. It's all flipping stuff you hear on YouTube. I won't use that sort of language. All right? I just think it's silly. I just make educated judgment on the facts I see, not the hype or the razzmatazz or the diamonds or the paper hands or the dippity doodahs or any of that stuff. Meet Kevin does. Good for Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin likes doing clickbait. He loves doing stuff that gets everybody to watch because he makes 10 grand a video. So, and I respect him for doing it. It's just not who I am. I'm not going to do it just because more people watch. He may have more people that watch, but he has a much lower engagement rate than I do. My engagement rate is higher. My members, everybody watches, becomes members. Members stay because we are building a much, much stronger foundation. It's built on real honesty, decency. It's not built on, nonsense and rubbish and just hype and drama. That's not what we do here. So it takes longer to grow. I feel like I'm growing an oak tree. It takes a long time to grow an oak tree, and one day I'll pass my show over to one of you guys to own, and you can take it over. It'll run for 1,000 years. Meet Kevin, it'll disappear. This show will continue forever. When Meet Kevin stops doing it, no one could carry it on. Because Meet Kevin's Meet Kevin. With me, I'm building a foundation of a family. The family can carry it on. Let's have a look. Ali Tisro said that there are calculations. The market cap will be bigger than Apple. Yeah, but that's just guessing. There are calculations. The market cap will be bigger than Apple, Tesla 5x. So it can't go to a million. Much more like go to zero. It's all a matter of opinion. You can't do a calculation on people's sentiment and guessing. Brian Walls, that's not true. Like London. What's not true? What's not true, Brian Walls? Everything's true here. I think you need to look at some of the top 50 coins in the world in crypto when you have a chance. Some fantastic projects to get involved in and earn on. Behind the scenes, Paul, I am reading. I'm starting to read what it's all about. Day by day, I'm learning more. And when I come to a conclusion, I shall let you know. Agreed Ali Tisrose, says Robert Rose. How can BSV go to 1 million? Anything can go to 1 million. And then anything can go to 0. If everybody bought it and no one ever sold it, the price would go up. It's simple as that. The market makers would go, right, I've got 100 people here who want to buy this asset and no one's selling. So the price goes up. Now I've got people who want to buy the asset again. No one's selling. The price goes up. That's just how the market works. Anything, any single thing could go to $1 million. Anything. The biggest load of poo could go to $1 million as long as nobody sells on the way up, everybody holds, and people want to buy it. Simple as that. And that's it. It's the same philosophy for BTC. Simple as that. If 6.88 merge with a company that is ATM at 32, you can predict it will be higher than 6.88. Also, it's 6.88 court because they paid out the shareholders. It was about 600. Sorry, I'm not really sure what you're saying there, Brian. BSV outperforming the market. Trandat. That's what he says. I don't know about that. Not an opinion. We're dealing in facts here. All right. All right, Robert. Fair enough. You could have all the facts in the world. Every single fact you want. But it all comes down to people. If they're not prepared to buy it or hold it or sell it too early, the price changes. Simple. If everyone sold Bitcoin today, if every single person sold Bitcoin today, it go to 0. Now someone's going to say to me, it can't. Of course it can. If everyone sold it and no one wanted to buy it, go to 0. MNTR are doing okay and going, might hold on for long. Let me have a look. MNTS, I will look at it now. Oh, so the whales would be like, yeah, this is a coin worth 100 trillion. I'm going to hold and not dump. Oh, so the whales would be like, yeah, this coin is worth 100 trillion and I'm going to hold and not dump. The point is it wouldn't get that far if it was crap. That's the point. It only keeps on going because people keep holding and not selling. And that's the point. Human sentiment and human greed would control everything. If everybody ultimately believed it was crap, it would never go anywhere. That's it. If people believe, and the only reason they believe is because everyone buys it. If everyone bought stuff today and no one sold and it kept going up, everyone else would believe it. Because they'd go, look, everyone's buying it. No one's selling this stuff. And at some point, if it was like a big scam or a big YouTube-like extravaganza to excite everybody, at some point, the whales would dump it. And I'm sure one day, the whales who own the BTC will dump it. I'm sure if at some point, there's no point holding everything forever. I remember Michael Saylor once saying, you hold it for like 500 years. What's the point of that? He only lives, he's only got like 30, 40 years of his life left. What's the point? Hold it for 500 years? What's the point of that? Who does that? Who does that in business? When you retire, you sell your assets and donate them, don't you? Or someone inherits them. You just hold it forever, never ever sell anything. What's the point of buying it then? Anyway, if I'm being entirely candid, I think BSV is a bit BSV is a bit pooey. Probably is. That's why I see it as a lottery ticket. It's funny. It's funny because I've got 11 BSV. Everyone thinks I'm suddenly a BSV fan. I'm not. I'm not a fan of anything. I'm not a fan of anything. I'm a fan of my money. That's all I'm a fan of. I'm not a fan of anything. 3 picks for you, Martin. CRO, XRP, and Matic. I'll take note of that and research that, Paul B. CRO, XRP, and Matic. I've been promising to look at MNTS for Mike. MNTS. Momentous. I remember this. I'm out of it now. Engages in the provision of in-space infrastructure services. Oh, yes. I remember now. Yeah. I'm out of it right now, as you know. And I haven't followed it since I was in it, which is quite a couple of months ago. I'm not interested in it now because I'm fully that sector of my portfolio is overweighted with Virgin Orbit and SPCE, all the space stuff. I know it's different, but I have to have a balanced portfolio. And as long as I've got Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit where it is right now, I don't think I need to be in another space company. I think that sector is overdone. But I like anything like space, right? Let's have a look. It was a reaction on that. Sometimes you can predict what happens with the price. Says Brian Walls. Difference is everyone can't sell BTC. 3 million are lost. That's that's great. But with OBS Tesla, I'm not sure what OBVS means. But with Tesla can go to zero if everyone's sold. In Tesla, because so many shares are lost. Because not many shares are lost, it can go to zero. I'm bullish on Tesla. The point is you borrow against it. The best business people do that. What do you mean? Ali Tisro, you're confusing me here. Do a poll. Should abortions... Oh, there we go. Or at discretion of the state. I do polls. And I do polls for our members. And you are a member. But it has to be relevant to the show. It's not relevant to the show. I don't think that's relevant. It's not a funny thing. It's a serious thing. It's not like we're having a laugh. But I don't think it's relevant, Robert. So I don't want to create a drama with being controversial with that. I would rather not comment on that, if that's okay. Only because it's not relevant. London Energy announces an update to the guidance for its... Brian's Worlds. Told you Brian was a scammer, Paul B. Brian, I can't access it through Robinhood, so I can't actually make a video on it or talk about it. It's not something I can share with anyone. Told you, Brian, Paul B says. Right, Virgin Orbit's popping up. We've come to the end of the show. We're going to get off. I've got more work to do on my newsletter. So let me just wind up and invite you all to the weekly Sunday newsletter. Here it is. If you've not yet signed up for it, the first one's on Sunday. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Thought of the day, the week that was, all sorts of stuff. It's going to be fun. The week ahead. There you go. Be a fun read. My thought of the day. Yeah. When you click on it, it'll take you to this little link here. You put your email in. All I ask is your email. You don't have to give me your name, country, city, nothing. Just your email. I'm asking for the very, very minimum information. I will never sell the email, never share it with anyone. It's purely there to just send you the email. That's it. Once you've subscribed to it, you need to check your inbox for the verification email. Some of you haven't done that, and you'll never receive the letter. It's to stop spamming and stuff like that. All right? Don't comment, just make the poll. You told me I could have a poll if I went gold. You can have a poll. It's just not relevant to this channel. It's just not relevant. I'm just trying to think. I do give a perk. I do give a perk to the members. You can have a poll. I do. It's not funny. It's a serious poll. Point is, it's anonymous. Easy there, Robert Rose. It's not an issue for this channel, though. It's a political issue, yeah. We have polls on funny, jokey stuff, but that's a political issue. So, you know, we have jokes about the channel and stuff like that, and not need to comment on it. Yeah, it's not relevant, Robert. If you want to poll on stocks and shares and the channel and what we're doing here and have a laugh with each other and stuff like that, but it's a political issue. If it's business related, then that's different. So there you go. Keep it light-hearted here. Absolutely right. You did say that he could ask a question for a gold member. You allowed his poll question. Then when you told him he can if he becomes gold. Not a joke. You did say that he could ask a question for gold member. You allowed his poll question. Then when you told him he can if he becomes gold. Did I say that? Did I say he could have that? If I did, then I will honour it. Is that what I said, Ali? Okay, what was he asking? If I've already said it, let's have a look. Okay, if I made that promise, I made that promise. So, I'm not going to comment on it, but if I said I would, I will. Okay. Fair enough. Okay. Okay, there we go. If you are a member, you can have a poll. If I've already said that, I will. Okay. Whoops. Got to do exactly as you asked for. Okay. There you go. There's the poll exactly as you asked for. I apparently said I would, so I will honour that. Yes, he became gold because he wanted to ask a poll. All right, fair enough. If you are a gold member, that's fair enough. Okay, if you're a gold member and you want to have a poll, as long as it's not offensive, that's I will honour it. There you go. Okay, there we go. So, there it is. It's up to you guys to vote how you wish to. Robert Rose, are you still here? Is Robert Rose still here? Yeah, you don't have to vote. Absolutely right. Down 5.68. Yeah, several people are not voting on that. Me personally, I don't think I should vote on it. I think it's to do with women. It's got nothing to do with me. How can I tell someone what to do or not what to do? That's my view. My view is it's nothing to do with me. I have no right to tell someone what they can or cannot do. That's my opinion. All right, Virgin Galactic. Give you a second to vote for it. Let's have a look. That's 62% say discretion of the state. There you go. All right. We're going to wrap up the show. I gave everyone the weekly newsletter. Yep, we're all done. It's not to do with women. It's to do with... Okay, I'm not going to go there. I'm only honouring it because I said I would, but we're not going to go there. We are a day trading channel. That's what we do. Family here to support each other. I'm still confused. Is it yearly or monthly? Robbie Cooper, you know for a bloody fact it's a weekly newsletter. Oh my gosh. I know you're winding me up, but there are people who are reading it who don't understand. Because you know that sometimes I read stuff out and you think, I'm just having a laugh. But you don't understand, right? There are people who watch this video, who watch it back later, who read the comments back later, who don't know what's going on, don't understand what's going on. So I have to explain things. So even though you say something which is silly and comedy and jovial in the chat, I have to answer it because people get confused. Newsletter is back ordered. That's it. Back ordered. There's no back ordered. You can't get. You can't ring up and say I missed last week's newsletter. Can I get it? No, you can't. First edition out in 2023. It's called Martyn's Pudding Taster Edition. Hi, Uzi Mackie. There you go. Right. We're going to end the poll now. It's 50-50. There we go. I honoured it because you asked me to do it, and I did. So there you go. Okay, we're all done. Now then, we've got a few months of newsletter says it's delayed because of supply issues. Yeah. Hey, it's handwritten, hand sent, hand delivered. Uzi Mackie, let's not do that again. No. Poll, please. Oh, yeah. Oh, bloody hell, guys. Right. I'm going to get off now because Martyn's got no ink in the printer. Hey, Brian Wells, give me a super chat. I know, just want to make sure you check it out and talk with me on Friday the 1st. All right. Well, you've given me a super chat now. Now I have to do it. Now I've got to do it. Flipping heck, he's given me a super chat. Now I've got to do it. Let me have a look. Brian Wells. So now I'm going to scroll up, grab the information, copy and paste it. He's done it twice. Now I've got to do it. Right. I'm just scrolling up. London Energy. Flipping heck. Now I've got to do it. I've got no choice now, folks. Let me scroll up quickly. I've got to grab the text. Put it in... I've got a... London Energy. All right. Giving me a tip now. I've got to check it out. Okay. London Energy. Why are you so passionate about it? Anyway, thank you very much for the tip. You can do what you want, to be fair. Awesome. We'll talk about it on Friday the 1st. Okay. Uzi Mackie, yeah, you can call in and talk about it. If you're a member of the channel, you can actually call in. You can actually call in. If you are a member, and you talk fairly and openly and honestly, and don't try to promote something, just talk about, your opinion on something, you can actually call in via Discord. For the amount of money you tip me, you could be a member. And you could actually be a member and call in via Discord. I'm going to give you the invitation to join right now. And you can actually have your say on the show. If you want to do that, if you've got something to share with everybody and it's relevant, there is the invitation to join. I'm going to give it you 3 times so you can see it in the chat. There it is. And I'm also going to give you the invitation to Discord. And then you can call in. I do need to manually make you a member, though, because you will not see the broadcast lounge until I manually make you a member. So you have to I have to manually turn you on once you've got into Discord. All right? You won't see it. But once you call in, you can be like our other members, like Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Okay. We even have video calls in like Sam, Elton John.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be. Follow this man.
There you go.
He's
you can
beautiful.
call in like
He
Elton
is the
John,
Rocket Man, huh?
whatever you like. Or you can even have your say like Alex.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
There you go. So anyway, if you want to be open and fair and let everyone know about something great, then be a member and call in. All right, fantastic. Because we do get people come and try to scam the channel. We've had it before, promote certain products that aren't real. But if you want to be real and part of it, you're welcome. It's okay. We'll be back on Friday. We look forward to it. Are we trading now? We are, but I'm not buying anything at the moment because the markets are not in the right state for me to buy in at the moment. I bought in this morning. I bought some more VORB, waiting for it to go lower. I'm not buying anything at this precise moment. Anyway, we shall see. Right, I think it's time to get off the overall market. Oh, day trader of the day. I forgot. Right, day trader of the day. Let's bring everybody up to date and let's do day trader of the day and let's see who wins. So I'm going to do a quick commercial break, skip the ad, and let's find out. Find out who is the day trader of the day. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Go to your main portfolio. I am down 5.71. A big drop today, but we've had way worse days. 5.71%. There is our position. Okay, Robert, we are now down 5.71. So put your scores in today. Let me know, and let's see who is our day trader of the day. Okay, there we go. I'm going to give you 1 minute on the clock. I am down 5.71. Uzi Mackie goes into the lead. Let's bring in the timer. And here we go. Let's bring in the timer. 1 minute on the clock. All right. I'm down 5.71. Uzi Mackie goes into the lead. He is up 0.5. DXB Gamer is down 3.54. Up 7.9. Robert Rose is ahead. There we go. Looking pretty good. Robert Rose is up 7.9. Chiggy, oop, bap, bow. Will the real Sotoshi please stand up, say, stand up, say, stand up. All right. Okay, looks like Robert Rose. You might be just getting attention in here. We don't know. We'll wait and see. All my family and moderators are taking care of any nonsense in the channel. We are always truthful, always real, always genuine. That's what we do. So become a member. You can call in, and then you can put your voice to your message. If I'm the winner, Do the poll. We're not doing that poll. We're not doing that. You've already had your poll. That was a silly poll. We're not doing that. Okay, so the winner was Robert Rose, up 7.9. Share with us on Discord your shares, so we know that it's all real and genuine, because everything we do here is real. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give them a thumbs up, and big congratulations to you. What are you invested in? All right. Okay, that's it. I think we've come to the end of today's show. And that'll do. Thank you very much indeed. We're back, of course, in the morning. What we're looking for right now is, obviously, we're coming up to the weekend. Again, we're looking for the stocks to rally tomorrow, because they'll probably dump on Friday if we're getting this negative sentiment. I am looking to add to my S&P eventually. Not yet. Yep, see you Friday. Virgin Galactic, we've got, it's a big day on our channel on Friday. We're doing our Kickstarter campaign for the Virgin Orbit movie. And we're trying to get funded in 1 hour so we go viral on Kickstarter and promote our YouTube channel. That's what we're trying to do. Virgin Galactic, I'm not buying anymore. Virgin Orbit, it's picked up a little bit, so that's good. I like that. I'm not going to buy any more until it goes down dramatically, and then I will buy, I will double up. I will double up when it goes sort of 290, somewhere like that. Rivian is flat right now. Lucid is up 0.17. Polestar, okay now. I'm just down very slightly, but not much. I'm okay with that. I'm happy with that. I won't really buy any more either. Anyway, we've got a lot of excitement in the chat tonight. Thank you very much for all the chat and lively chat. A lot of you having all kinds of banter about all kinds of things. And our moderators, thank you very much indeed. All of you are doing a great job. Thank you to all our members. Nearly everybody is a member now in the chat. It's incredible. We've got over 60 members now. Nearly everybody who watches our show is a member. And most of you now are yellow turning gold, which means you've been, that's badges, I mean, which means many of you now have been members for 6 months, which is incredible. That's one of the highest engagements on YouTube. Very few people actually stay that long, so we're on YouTube as a whole. So we have one of the strongest engaged channels, which is amazing. That's all down to you guys, really. Okay, I'm going to get off. I'll see you all back on in the morning, Wednesday morning, and hopefully we can continue this. We can buy some more Virgin Orbit if it continues to go down, or hopefully it'll go up from there. Completely agreed. Chat about finances and friendly banter and all the rest of it. Absolutely. That's what we're all about here. Everything is positive, everything is real, everything is genuine, and we have a lot of fun helping and support people and learning how to make money. That's what we're all about. Okay, fantastic. All right, that's it from me. My final thought of the day is be nice to each other. Keep it real. Keep it honest. We're here to help people, support people, learn, make money. We're all trying to retire with money in our pockets. And everything is real and genuine. That's what this channel is all about. We're here to raise money for charities. We're here to learn and educate. And we learn from each other. I learn from you all the time. It's what this is about. And I dedicate my life 4, 5, I don't know why I even say 4 or 5. I should start at 5, 6 hours every day. I'm in the studio, Monday to Friday, live. It was our birthday yesterday. We've been doing it now for just over a year. It's a year and a day today. And we are here to help and support, and we'll always be here. So, on that note, thank you very much for being here. I look forward to seeing you all back in the morning. Until then, have you signed up for the newsletter? It comes weekly. Don't listen to Paul B. Take care of yourselves and each other.